come back again with learning Thai with Book today. And yes, definitely, this word that I'm gonna talk or teach you today is concerned about the earlier video before. If you can remember, it's about gender. But today we will learn about the word female, 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 female. Female in English, but in Thai we can say เพศหญิง 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 okay female it means like เพศหญิง ผู้หญิง something like woman but for woman is like a kind of general word but female is something like more official like category group so you can say like female in English but in Thai we can say เพศหญิง เพศหญิง you can see this word more often in the official form or application form so female one more time together with me female in English in Thai we can say เพศหญิง 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 okay thank you very much and see you soon bye bye